Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to create negative text effect using Canva. Right now as you can see we are into Canva and we have just selected a blank template, right? So let me change the color of the background so you would better understand what I am doing, right? So let's make it to green color, right? And here I'm going to select the text and click the heading. For example, I just want B. Let us reduce the size first. Okay. Now we are going to duplicate it to I, right? Duplicate it to K. We can change the color of K to white and then A. You can change the color to black and then let's reverse it to be of white color and I would merge automatically, right? Or we can change the color of B to white to black. Let's change this color to white and K color again to black and A color to white. Let's search for element shape, make its color to black, send it backward so it would be easier for us to understand, right? Send it to back. Either we can duplicate it or we can simply duplicate the A again, right? We can turn the color of I to white so that it could be more symmetrical, right? Now let us change the color to a lighter shade, and as you can see our this box placement is somehow wrong. We need to place it correctly. Send to back. Now bring to front. Similarly, we need to, it will take time, right? Designing is all about patience, dedication, and creativity, and it always takes time, right? To discover new concepts. Okay, now we can send this A backward as well, right? Let's see how it looks, and N can be in front and then A can be in back as well. So we are going to group this and then send backward, and now we can simply select them all and can group them. Okay, now we can increase their size, right? And now we are going to click on share, download transparent background, the current page only, and click on download. Okay, it's downloaded. Now we are going to add one more page and upload the same image that we have recently downloaded. Okay, now we are going to edit it and we are going to add some, we are going to remove the background first. Let's see what happens. Okay, now let us add the drop effect, right? Angle we can adjust as per our requirement. Blurriness distance, intensity, right? And if we restore, then how it looks, let us see. Restore, done, reset, confirm, done. Okay, it's also looking nice. So this is how you can create a negative text effect on Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel right now to watch more videos like this.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.